Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Head coach of Mount Pleasant FA, Theodore Whitmore, says his team is still not clinical enough in front of goal. Despite topping Group A of the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup with maximum 12 points on Tuesday night, Mount Pleasant recorded their fourth win from as many games in the group when they blanked O&M FC from the Dominican Republic 2-0 at the National Stadium. Gadale Irving opened the scoring in the 36th minute before Ronaldo Biggs scored his first goal for the club in the 63rd minute. Speaking at the post-match press conference on Tuesday, Whitmore said he was happy with the result, but the margin of victory should have been greater.
Yes, I think we need to be more clinical in the final third. We could have scored probably 3 more, 4 more goals, but again, we have to leave some for the semi-finals.
Mount Pleasant will play the second-place finisher in Group B, which will be decided tonight, and could see them facing local rivals and defending champions Cavalier in the last 4. Cavalier will play away to Weymouth Wales of Barbados in their final group game later today. To advance, Cavalier must win their game and hope that Defence Force of Trinidad and Tobago failed to win against leader Cibao FC, who are already through. Should Defence Force win, then the margin of victory for Cavalier must be greater than that of the TNT team to see the Jamaican Premier League winners advance. West Indies captain Rawson Chase says the decision on the playing 11 for the first test against India will likely be made on the morning of the match, as they were not able to assess the pitch ahead of match day. The Windies will take on the hosts tonight at 11 Jamaica time in Ahmedabad, and during the pre-match press conference, Chase could not say if left-arm spinner Kari Pierre will be given his test debut alongside vice-captain Jamel Warkan as a spin bowling duo. In the meantime, the Windies captain admits that the team has some way to go before they are able to do what New Zealand did in India last November, which is to win on rival soil.
Yeah, well, obviously we're not in a good position right now in terms of our test status, and we're kind of low on the table, but that's we have to put that behind us and just worry about what's ahead of us right now and play each day, each game, one day at a time, one step at a time, one session at a time, and just try to obviously learn the conditions as fast as possible. Obviously, New Zealand came last year and dominated India, so we're really trying to learn from what they did and try to put some of those stuff in place so that we can obviously play some good cricket and compete and try to win the series.
Two-time World Under-20 Sprint Hurdles champion Kirika Hill has joined the MVP Track Club. She made the move after spending the past 3 years with Elite Performance Track Club, having joined the Ronaldo Walcott coached outfit in 2022 at the age of 17. Hill, who turned 20 in March this year, set her new personal best of 12.54 seconds in July at the Luzerne World Challenge meet in Switzerland. And finally, Exeter Heats are the champions of the GK1 Makati Basketball League after wrapping up the best of 3 series against Grand Spen Giants in 2 games, following their 63-59 win at the National Stadium courts on Tuesday night. Tommy MacDonald scored a game-high equaling 27 points while pulling down 11 rebounds for the winners, while Mark McGowan had 27 points and 22 rebounds for the Giants. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renata Brown.
And that's the Midday News Package. I'm Carrie-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.